Why do you think so many people like the Everyday English channel?
That is a good question. I think it is because we keep it simple. We use easy words.
I agree. Some people think English must be difficult. They think they need big, hard words.
But they don't. You can say so much with simple words. You can make friends, you can travel, you can work.
Yes, hello, please, and thank you are the most important words in any language.
Exactly. And we always say communication, not perfection.
That is our favorite rule. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are just little steps on the road to learning.
Yes, I make mistakes every day, even in my own language.
Me too. It is natural. I was reading the comments yesterday. We have friends from so many places.
Oh, tell me, where are they from?
We have friends in India, Brazil, Mexico, Japan, and Italy.
Wow, and France and China and Spain?
It's like the whole world is talking together. I love that. Language brings people together.
It really does. I saw a comment from a student in Poland. She said, I listened to you and Paul while I cooked dinner. Now I'm not afraid to speak at work.
That makes me so happy. That is why we do this, to help people feel confident.
Confidence is the key. When you feel good, you learn fast.
Yes, and we try to make it fun. Learning should not be boring.
Never. If it is boring, you want to sleep.
True. No sleeping in English class.
What is your favorite part of making this podcast?
I think I like the real English episodes, when we just talk like friends.
Me too. It feels natural. It's not like a book. It's like a chat over coffee.
Yes, a book tells you the cat is on the table, but in real life we say, oh no, the cat is eating my cake.
Exactly. That is real English. And people want to hear about the cat eating the cake. It is amazing.
It shows that people want to connect. They want to understand the world.
So what is next for the Everyday English channel now that we have 1 million subscribers?
Well, I want to talk about more topics. Maybe we can talk about food from different countries.
Ooh, I love food. That is a great topic. Or maybe we can talk about movies or music.
Yes, and we can help people with their daily life, like how to talk at the doctor or how to buy a ticket at the airport.
Very useful. I also want to tell our listeners that they are doing a great job.
They really are. Learning a new language is brave.
It is. Every time you listen to a podcast, you are getting better. Every time you write a comment, you are growing.
Even if the comment is just, I like coffee.
Especially if it is, I like coffee.
You know, some people tell me, Paul, I am too old to learn English.
Oh no, that is not true. You are never too old.
I agree. We have listeners who are 10 years old and listeners who are 80 years old.
That is the beauty of the internet. Everyone is welcome.
And English is a gift you give to yourself. It opens doors.
It really does. Do you have a special tip for our 1 million friends today? A 1 million celebration tip?
Let me think. Okay, here is my tip. Listen to one small thing every day.
Just one?
Yes, even 5 minutes. Consistency is the secret.
I like that. 5 minutes of English every day is better than 5 hours one time a week.
Exactly. It's like exercise. You have to do it a little bit every day to stay strong.
That is a great tip. My tip is speak out loud, even if you're alone.
Like talking to the mirror.
Yes, or talking to your cat.
Tell your cat about your day in English.
My cat will be very confused, but he is a good listener.
It helps your mouth get used to the sounds. It builds that confidence we always talk about.
That is so true. English sounds are different. You need to practice moving your mouth.
Yes, and don't worry about your accent. Everyone has an accent.
I love accents. An accent shows that you speak more than one language. It shows you are smart.
I love that way of thinking. An accent is a sign of hard work.
So, 1 million subscribers. Should we do something special to celebrate?
Maybe we can have a special question and answer episode.
Oh, yes, our listeners can ask us anything.
They can ask about English, or about us, or about our favorite cookies.
You always think about cookies.
Well, they are delicious, and chocolate cookies are the best. Okay, we can talk about cookies, but really, we want to hear from you. What do you want to learn next?
Yes, please tell us in the comments. We read them, and they give us great ideas.
I feel so much energy today. 1 million is such a happy number.
It really is. It makes me want to record 10 more podcasts right now.
Slow down. Drink your coffee first.
You are right, one step at a time. You know, I was thinking about when we hit 100 subscribers. We were so happy then, too.
Oh, I remember. I called my mom. I said, "Mom, 100 people want to hear me talk."
And now it is 1 million. Your mom must be very proud.
She is. She listens to every episode. Hi, Mom.
Hi!
It's amazing how a small idea can grow. We just wanted to help a few people.
And now we are a global community.
A community of friends. That's the best part. We're not just teachers and students, we're friends.
I feel that way, too. When I talk to the microphone, I imagine I'm talking to a friend in their kitchen or in their car.
Me too. I imagine our listeners walking their dog or going to work.
It's a nice thought. We're part of their day.
And they're part of our day. So we should probably start to wrap up our celebration chat.
Oh, already? Time flies when we are happy.
It really does. But we have a lot more work to do for our 1 million friends.
We do. We need to make the next episode even better.
Yes, but first, let's remember what we talked about today.
Good idea. We started by saying a big thank you for 1 million subscribers.
Yes, because our listeners are the heart of this channel. We are so grateful.
And we talked about how simple English is the best way to start. You don't need to be perfect.
Right. Communication is more important than grammar rules.
And we remembered to be brave and not fear mistakes. Mistakes help us grow.
We also shared 2 tips. Listen for 5 minutes every day and speak out loud to build confidence.
Yes, and we talked about how English is for everyone, every age, and every country.
Exactly. It was such a nice celebration chat.
It was. I feel great. Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you, everyone.
Yes, thank you all. Before we go, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet.
And give us a like to celebrate our 1 million friends.
And we have a question for you in the comments. What is your favorite thing about learning English?
Or you can just say congratulations. We would love that too.
Yes, we would. We love reading your messages.
Share this episode with someone you love. Let's keep growing together.
Well, that is all for today. Thank you for being part of our journey.
We will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you soon.